Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the JBL Clip 4. It just released a week ago, so let's just get into the video and to see how that sounds. The one I bought is blue, Bluetooth 5.1, 10 hours of playtime. Definitely very different type of boxing compared to the Clip 3s and have a very different style of the speaker as well. IP67, so it's waterproof, so you can take them to underwater for a meter. Is have output of 5 watts. It's around 60 pounds and it's available in black, blue, pink, blue and pink, red, green and white. So quite a lot of color to pick and choose from. So let's put the speaker aside and see what's in the box. Quick starter guide, USB, how to pair the speakers. And you have pause and play for music, battery, and if you're carrying outdoors and how to carry them, and that's pretty much it. So you have warranty and technical guide, so let's put that aside. USB-A to USB-C, so they did upgrade it from micro USB to USB-C. Nice design, it's much better design than the Clip 3. So you have the hooks on the top, so you can hang them in the bag. So you have the volume control and pause and play on the top. Quite a nice finishing. So you have that waterproof mesh on the top, USB-C in the back for charging, and you have the stand. In a way, it's a stand, power and Bluetooth. So generally is one of the best looking speaker. We're going to try them out and to see which one, how they work. So power on. Bluetooth is on, so it's ready to pair.
I can't breathe, cause you pushed me back. I should've stayed away from you. It feels like I'm being attacked. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Trying to improve me, why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry, all you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna run, I just wanna hide, I just wanna be on my own sometimes. Don't you ever say that I didn't try. Don't you ever say that you don't know why. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. It's too late. There's no way that we can fix it now. Stay away from me. I can't breathe, cause you pushed me back. I should've stayed away from you. It feels like I'm being attacked. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Trying to improve me, why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry, all you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna run, I just wanna hide, I just wanna be on my own sometimes. Don't you ever say that I didn't try. Don't you ever say that you don't know why. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. It's too late. There's no way that we can fix it now. Stay away from me.
Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like trying love. I can taste no, 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 no. Just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like trying lullaby. It says no, 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 just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no,
I packed my bags and said goodbye. I shut the door and walked aside. I thought I would be fine, but babe, I ain't. Every little bad mistake caught up so fast I couldn't break it. Now I'm staring down a bottleneck, 'cause I can't get you out of my mind. I packed my bags and said goodbye. I shut the door and walked aside. I thought I would be fine, but babe, I ain't. Every little bad mistake. Caught up so fast I couldn't break it. Now I'm staring down a bottleneck, 'cause I can't get you out of my mind.
I said the speakers sound really loud. Compared to the older clips, it's much more louder. And not only that, it's now more into the bass of it, because I couldn't put them onto the table. It started vibrating. It's much louder than the Clip 3, but comparing with the older model, it's definitely a much better upgrade. I really like the look of the speaker. So definitely better audio, amazing audio on that. It's just really loud. Even if you put a 50% volume, it's much more louder and very clear audio, no delays, no distortion from videos to audio. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below. What do you think about the new speaker? Would you like this look, or do you like the audio? Let me know. What do you think? I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.